Are you looking for the best Smith machines? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best Smith machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fitness Dreamer Strength Smith Machine. The Fitness Dreamer Smith Machine is an all-in-one strength training solution for your home gym. With a pull-up station and cable crossover machine, you can enjoy a full-body workout without the hassle of commuting to a gym. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, while the adjustable heights allow you to customize your training for various exercises. You'll find multiple accessories included, giving you the flexibility to target different muscle groups effectively. Plus, the dual pulley system enhances versatility, making workouts more enjoyable when shared with friends and family. What we like: versatile all-in-one equipment, durable steel construction, adjustable heights for customization, includes multiple workout accessories, dual pulley system for versatility. Number 2. DONOW All-in-One Smith Machine. The DONOW Smith Machine is a versatile all-in-one home gym solution designed to meet your fitness needs. It combines a power cage, cable crossover, and pull-up station, allowing you to perform a wide variety of exercises for total body training. With adjustable weight stacks of up to 353 pounds, you can customize your workout intensity. Its sturdy commercial-grade steel construction ensures stability during intense sessions, making it a reliable choice for your home gym. Enjoy the convenience of easy assembly with provided instructions and videos, ensuring a hassle-free setup. What we like: versatile workout options, sturdy construction, high weight capacity, easy assembly. Number 3. Deltech Fitness Linear Bearing Smith Machine. Deltech Smith Machine is a high-quality Smith machine from Deltech Fitness. It features precision linear roller bearings that ride on solid steel bars, providing smooth and stable movement. The 58 pounds Olympic bar with a 700 pounds capacity allows you to perform heavy lifts with confidence. The rear supports hold plates when not in use, keeping your workout area organized. The chrome-plated bar hook rods and weight holders add durability and style to the machine. With Deltech Smith Machine, you can enjoy a safe and efficient workout that targets various muscle groups. What we like: precision bearings for smooth movement, heavy-duty Olympic bar, rear supports for plate storage. Number 4. OPPSDECOR Smith Machine Power Rack. The OPPSDECOR Smith Machine offers a versatile home gym experience. With the ability to perform exercises like squats, pull-ups, and lat pull-downs, you can maximize your training efficiency without waiting for equipment at the gym. Its durable construction ensures stability during intense workouts, providing a professional gym feel right at home. Safety is prioritized with 4 hooks that support you during solo sessions, allowing you to focus on your form without worrying about accidents. Additionally, the compact design helps you save space, making it easy to fit in any room or garage. What we like: comprehensive workout options, durable metal frame, safety hooks for solo training, compact space-saving design. Number 5. OPPSDECOR Smith Machine Power Rack. The OPPSDECOR Smith Machine offers a versatile workout solution for your home gym. Constructed from durable commercial-grade steel, it ensures safety and longevity during your training sessions. With its 5-in-1 fitness station feature, you can perform a wide range of exercises, including squats, bench presses, and pull-ups, catering to all your muscle training needs. The precision pulley system allows for smooth operation, enhancing your workout experience and enabling various exercise techniques. Its compact design saves valuable space, making it perfect for smaller areas like apartments or garages. What we like: durable steel construction, versatile exercise options, smooth pulley system, space-saving design. Number 6. Royal Fitness Smith Machine. The Royal Fitness Smith Machine is designed for serious home gym enthusiasts. With over 30 years of experience in fitness equipment, this machine offers a solid and durable build made from thick steel tubing, ensuring long-lasting use. You can enjoy a comprehensive workout with its all-in-one system that includes 140 pounds of cast iron weight plates, perfect for exercises like bench presses and squats. The multifunctional design features an independent dual pulley system, allowing you to customize your workout routine to fit your fitness level and goals. What we like: durable steel construction, comprehensive workout options, adjustable cable pulley system, easy installation process.